Hey, what's up guys? So I want to send some Ethereum from my Luno account to a Trust wallet. So what we're going to do, I'm going to go onto my Luno account, and then once I get here, I will go on to this is my Ethereum. Okay, so we're going to go on to Ethereum, which is this. Okay. So this Ethereum. Okay, so we're going to send, right? Okay, so we have to go and get an address where we're going to send this Ethereum to. So we're going to go onto our Trust wallet. So we have Ethereum here. So this is where we're going to receive our Ethereum. So we're going to get this address here. So we're going to copy this, and then we're going to come here, go on to more. We're going to send. Would you like to send? Who would you like to send to? So we're going to put the address here, right? So we're going to say next. So how much we want to send? So let me put it on to Rosa. So I want to send 1,000 of an Ethereum. So going to say next. So send Ethereum to there, and then we have some fees here. Wow, a lot of fees. A lot. Okay, but we just have to do this, and we'll confirm. Right. So just do an authentication. So authorize this. Okay, so it's done. Then I'll just have to see. So I'll just have to go and see now if my Ethereum is gone. Alright, we just have to wait and see if it's going to be there on our Trust wallet. So let's go and check on our Trust wallet. we're just going to wait here and see if it's happened. Alright, so I'll come back to you and show you when it's all here. Okay guys, so we're going to check if we actually got our, so there it is there. It shows that we have our Ethereum that we just sent. Alright, so what we want now, we actually, let's see if what we can buy with that. Right, I would actually like to buy some Dogecoin, but we just have to wait and see when that is happening. Right, so you just stay tuned and subscribe so that I can show you when I'm buying my Dogecoin, and I will see you on the next one, guys. Ciao ciao.